Good morning, dear students. As we have seen in the previous video, the third lesson in accounts, that is partnership business, fundamentals of partnership business, how they are maintaining accounts, the other fundamental things, partnership deed, contents, in the options of partnership deed, how they can do the business activities, and two types of maintaining the capital system account, that is fixed capital accounts and fluctuating capital accounts, and have we practiced few sums. With that we stopped, and now the next level we are moving in this lesson is interest on capital, that is how to calculate interest on capital. Let me take this mom, just a minute. Fluctuating capital, differences between fixed capital and fluctuating capital, all we studied Lalama. Yes, now about that interest on capital, now we are going to do some sums. Okay mama, so please keep in mind that two entries we go to pass for providing interest on capital as usual. These are all fundamental things what we studied in the +1. So for charging providing interest on capital, this journal, see there ma, interest on capital to partners capital account, if fluctuating means, fixed means to current account. Okay va, then and for closing this profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. Okay ma, these two journals we got to pass. It may be asked in 2 marks or even 3 marks also. Now the claim marks in this, the main theme of this subunit is how to calculate interest on that capital is now I am going to teach. See this, see the note in mind ma, that the interest on capital to be calculated on the opening capital. Okay ma, capital at the beginning of the relevant period, and also if there is any additional capital increased or capital withdrawn, according to that we go to provide interest on capital. So keep in mind on opening capital as well as on additional capital, but not on closing capital is the answer. Please note in mind. Okay ba? Then see the one small formula ma, interest on capital equal to amount of capital கொடுத்துருவான், rate of interest அது கொடுத்துருவான், then period of interest how many month. So from the date of investment, note in mind, from the date of business started till the date of closing accounts. Suppose January 1st na December 31st usually பாத்துங்க, அதே started business July 1st na from the date till December 31st. அது எப்பன்னு பாத்துங்க, என்னைக்கு business they started, when they are going to finish the accounts, that period we have to take into account. Okay ma? So sometimes opening capital is not available. How we calculate opening capital under single entity system, very first chapter ma, see that to format the same thing, capital at the end, add drawings, less profit and additional capital, and balance final answer what we are getting is opening capital. On that capital we have to calculate, that we are going to see second third stage. Okay ma? Now let me teach the first one. Mannan and Ramesh share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:1. Okay, leave. The capital as on 1st April 17 was 80,000 for Mannan and 60,000 for Ramesh. And their current accounts, current accounts solita. So we have to credit everything in current account only. While passing journal, we have to show credit aspect to current account. Okay, then their current account shows 10 and 5,000 respectively. Okay, this is not we needed. Calculate interest on capital at 5% per annum. Okay, for the year ending 31st March. So here April to March they are following. See the capital as on 1st April and accounts closed 31st March 18 every year. So the journal, that's all. Just front page I showed lama two journals, that journal we have to pass, but before that how to calculate that interest. Now see this ma, interest on capital What's the formula? No changes. Changes in the number of month involved that we go to show. Otherwise, straight away on the capital into percentage. Therefore, see there, interest on Mannan's capital 80,000 into 5 by 100, 4,000. Similarly, interest on Ramesh capital 60,000 into 5 by 100. That's all, 3,000. Okay, va? So, see on the note himself, current account balance not connected here. Leave it. Forget this. Then, what's the general? Interest on capital account debtor to Mannan's current account to Ramesh current account. Okay, ma? இங்க வந்து current account கொடுத்துட்டோம். அதனால to current account சொல்றோம். இல்லாட்டி to capital account சொல்லுவோம். This is interest on capital charged or provided. Then, next journal. This interest to be transferred. I mean, profit and loss appropriation account debtor to interest on capital. Okay, ma? That's two journals we have to pass. Okay, good. See, as I pointed out, in middle of year they may introduce some additional capital and some drawings may also taken place. In that case, how to calculate interest on capital. This is second level. So, see there, ma? Step by step we are moving to next level. Okay, now come here. See that sixth sum. Let me read this. Antony and Akbar were partners who share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Okay. Balance in their capital account on 1st January 18 was Antony 60,000 and Akbar 40,000. Okay. January 1st ஆரம்பிச்சிருக்கிறோம். On 1st April 18, Antony introduced additional capital. Not in mind. So from the date of additional capital introduced till the date of closing date, that month we have to count. Keep in mind, and the month count பண்ணும்போது you may make some mistake. அதனால listen carefully. Okay. Then Akbar introduced additional capital 5,000 during the இங்க date of investment கொடுக்கல, additional capital investment கொடுக்கல. So that is another clue. Please note in mind. நான் சொல்ற ஒவ்வொரு clue please note in mind. Calculate interest on capital at 6% for the year ending 31st December. So January to December they are following accounting here. Okay? Now, how to calculate? See, first on Antony's capital, on opening capital 1 year, 60,000 into என்ன percentage 6 by 100, 3,600. Then on additional capital, when they introduced additional capital, Antony 1st April. ஏப்ரல்லேருந்து டிசம்பர் 31 வரைக்கும் எத்தனை மாதம் பாருங்கள்? ஜனவரி, ஃபெப்ரவரி, மார்ச் 3 மந்த் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் ரெமெடி 9 மந்த். அதான் பாருங்கள், 10,000 into 6 by 100 into 9 by 12. அந்த 9 by 12 கால்குலேட் பண்ணதை கேர்ஃபுல்லாக கவுண்ட் பண்ணுமா ஃப்ரம் ஏப்ரல் டு டில் டிசம்பர் 31. 9 மந்த் வருதா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக? அதை போட்டு சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணிங்க 450. Therefore டோட்டல் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் ஆன் Antony's capital is 4,050. ठीक है, good. பார்த்துங்க. Then next Akbar's capital, அவனுக்கு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இயரில் வந்து 40,000 his capital is, therefore 6% போட்டோன்னா 2,400. But he introduced additional capital during the year சொல்லிட்டான். Please note in mind, அங்கே date of additional capital introduced is not given. Therefore it's an assumption that we have to provide interest on that capital for 6 months average period சொல்லுவோம். See அந்த note கொடுத்துக்க மாதிரிமா. Since the data of additional capital introduced by Akbar is not given, interest on additional capital is calculated for average period of 6 months. அதனால தான் அந்த 6 by 12. Okay? Therefore, அது simplify பண்ணிங்கன்னா you will get 150. Therefore, now 24 plus 150, 2,550. Okay? Good. This is second level. Okay, ma? 2 sums we finished. Next, third level, ma. See, in the third level, that's what the opening capital may not be given. Opening capital may not be given. So as I pointed out and taught from the beginning itself, interest on capital is to be calculated on opening capital as well as on additional capital. Keep in mind, definitely not on closing capital. Please note in mind. One way that too will be asked. Okay? Therefore, how we calculated under single entity system opening capital, we used to begin with closing capital or drawings less additional capital less profit. Am I right? Once more repeat ma. Closing capital or drawings less additional capital less profit, the resultant figure automatically opening capital. If you have any doubt, you refer your first lesson, single entity system, calculation of missing figure. Then in that case, see there how to calculate. First, how to calculate this opening capital which is not available, and then calculation of interest on that opening capital. Shall we see more? Now come here. See, from the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha என்ன பேர் who share profit and losses equally equally into calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 17. Balance sheet 31st December that is closing capital. See, Subha and Sudha 15,000 and 20,000. Leave other things. This is closing capital. Below it, see some adjustments may also given here. Then drawings of Subha and Sudha during the year 2,500 and 3,500 respectively. And second, profit earned during the year 15,000. So just like single entity தான் அதே அங்கே only one person அப்படின்னால just capital closing capital drawings போட்டு இங்கே ரெண்டு பார்ட்னர்ஸ் இருக்கனால அதே தான் பர்டிகுலர்ஸ் காலத்தில் பர்டிகுலர்ஸ் எழுதிக்கிறோம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் இன்னர் காலத்தில் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் பார்ட்னர், அவுட்டர் காலம் செகண்ட் பார்ட்னர். ஓகேவா? சி give the heading calculation of opening capital heading கொடுத்துட்டு see the same particulars என்ன எழுதுறீங்கம்மா? calculation of opening capital particulars அப்படி எழுதுங்க. closing capital, I mean capital as on 31st December 17. first partner 15, second partner 20. Drawings it's given there. See above 2,5 and 3,5, 17,5 and 23,5. less profit earned, profit எவ்வளோ சொல்லிக்கிறோமா? 15,000. that profit to be shared by the partners equally சொல்லிட்டான் இல்லைம்மா? ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் சொன்னாலாமா? இதை 2:3னா அந்த 2:3 ரேஷியோவில் ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறோம். 1:4னா 1:4 ஷேர் பண்ண போகிறோம். இங்கே 50-50ங்கிறனால 15,000 now shared equally na 7,575 less. Then the resultant figure 10,000 and 16,000 is opening capital. அதில் இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் பண்ண போகிறோம் இப்போ. ஓகேவா? now come here below it. See Subha interest on opening capital. Capital answer we are getting 10,000. 10,000 is 6/100. Then Sudha Kuma 16,000 is 6/100. That's all. Okay, like that. Then this is over. Now next one the interest on drawings. Next interest on drawings. See that next sub unit what this I am going to teach now. Interest on drawings. Here also how to calculate the interest on drawings. So there are also two journals for interest on drawings provider and transfer. See, just quite opposite journal. Partners capital or current account data to interest on drawings, and then closing this interest on drawings, another journal interest on drawings profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, these two journals we have to pass. Okay, while calculating that interest on the drawings, see some hints. Interest on drawings can be computed by following either direct method or product method. Clear what method under which we have to calculate interest that method we have to follow. And if they draw fixed amount at a fixed period, interest on that drawings may be calculated on average period method. Based on date of drawings, note in mind, based on the date of drawings and the amount of drawings, different method are to be followed. Okay, different method based on date of drawings and amount of drawings. Different method or 2-3 method we can follow. The first method is, let me teach, direct method. Give heading all methods of calculating interest. Other heading put to 1, direct method. Interest is calculated on drawings for the period from the date of drawings till the date of closing the accounts. That is very important. Angapadi from the date of capital invested and closing date sonna inga adhe method from the date of drawings till the date of closing accounts. The same formula. Anga capital into percentage poto, inga drawings into percentage. See, amount of drawings into rate of interest in the period. How many months? Period of interest refers to the period from the date of drawings to the date of closing accounting year. Okay, va? See some different methods what I am going to teach now. Now, see under direct method lama, see the first sum. Velan is a partner who withdrew 20,000 on 1st April 18. Seri, April 18 liya? Seri. Then interest on drawings charged at 10% per annum. Okay. Calculate interest on drawings on 31st December 18 and pass journal entry assuming fluctuating capital. Right. So from the date of drawings April 1st onwards. So automatically December 31st வரைக்கும் எத்தனை மாசமா 9 month. Leave first 3 months. So 4th monthல இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சா automatically 9 month வரும். அத கால்குலேட் அந்த ஃபார்முலா போட்டுக்க முடியுமா? Amount of drawings into rate of interest into period of interest. Therefore 20,000 into 10% more 10 by 100 into 9 by 12. That is very important. Counting of monthly mistake பண்ணக்கூடாதுன்னு சொன்னோம். Nothing more difficult. From the date April 1st சொல்லிட்டா December 31st வரைக்கும் எத்தனை மாசம் 9 month. Therefore 9 by 12. That's all. Okay. Then அதுக்கு that two journals. என்னென்ன journal? Balance capital account data to interest on drawings. Interest on drawing charged or provided. Then interest on drawings to profit and loss appropriation account. Transfer of interest on drawings and closed. That's all. Okay, Mama. Then now next one, Ma. Arun is a partner in a firm of partnership firm. As the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% during the year ended 31st December 18. He drew as follows. Oh, right. Accounts closed on 31st December. So from the date, how many months involved? Okay, this is direct method. என்னென்னு கேட்டதுக்குன்னா டிஃப்ரெண்ட் மார்ச் 1க்கு 6,000, ஜூன் 1st அன்னைக்கு 4,000, செப்டம்பர் 1st அன்னைக்கு 5,000, டிசம்பர் 1st அன்னைக்கு 2,000. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings. Nothing. Very simple. See the formula. Amount of drawings into rate of interest plus into period of interest. How many months? From the date of drawings till December 31st. Automatically we are going to calculate. See on first drawings. See ma? On March 1st. எவ்வளவு எடுக்கிறோம் 6,000. Percentage of interest 12%, 12 by 100 into 10 by 12 எப்படி வச்சோம் மார்ச்லேருந்து டிசம்பர் 31st வரை கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்க ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ஜனவரி பிப்ரவரி விட்டுருங்கம்மா the rest of 10 month அது 10 by 12 first drawings. ஓகேம்மா தென் செகண்ட் ஜூன் மந்தில் எடுக்கிறோம் அதே மாதிரி 4,000 into 12 by 100 into 7 by 12 அந்த மந்த் இன்வால்வ்டில் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணிடக்கூடாதுமா. அப்போ மே வரைக்கும் விட்டுருங்க இல்லை 5 month போச்சு ரிமைனிங் ஆட்டோமேட்டிக் 7 month 7 by 12 இது சிம்பிளை பண்ணால் 280. நெக்ஸ்ட்மா டிசம்பர் 1 செப்டம்பர் 1 சாரி செப்டம்பர் 1ங்கிற போதுமா செப்டம்பர்லேருந்து கவுண்ட் பண்ணுங்கம்மா செப்டம்பர் அக்டோபர் நவம்பர் டிசம்பர் 4 month அதான் 5,000 into 12 by 100 into 4 by 12. தென் லாஸ்ட் டிசம்பர் 1st only 1 month. தட்ஸ் ஆல் இல்லை டோட்டல் பண்ணிங்கன்னா 1,100. ஓகேம்மா குட். Interest on drawings, that's all. Okay va? The next vanduma, that is another where each sum under different method la I am teaching one on sum. Okay? See that. Next product method soluvo. Another method. Under this method interest is calculated on the total of products, that is product of amount of drawings and the period for which the amount remained withdrawn. If the product is calculated in the terms of month, interest can be called in the total products. Is simple made product method lama total product formula vanduma inga var total product in the rate of interest 1 by 12. That's all. Okay ma ida formula இந்த formula note பண்ணுங்க அந்த அவனே சொல்லிடுவான் calculate the interest on drawings and product method சொல்லிடுவான். See Anbu is a partner in a firm. As per the partnership deed, interest on drawings is charged at 12% per annum during the year ended 31st December 18. He withdrew as follows. March 1st, June 1st, September 1st, December. Calculate the amount of interest on drawings by using product method. Total product into percentage into 1 by 12. Nothing. 4. Date column போட்டுங்க. Particular amount of withdrawing. Inner column number of month involved. Outer column product. The number of month involved third column அதில் தான் மிஸ்டேக் பண்ணுவீங்க. ப்ளீஸ் நோட் இன் மைண்ட். ठीक है. Now see there மா கொடுத்துக்கிற அப்படியே எழுதிக்கிறீங்க. டேட் ஆஃப் ட்ராயிங்ஸ் மார்ச் 1st, ஜூன் 1st, செப்டம்பர் 1st, டிசம்பர் 1st. அமௌண்ட் வித்ட்ரான் அப்படியே எழுதிக்கிறீங்க. 6, 4, 5 and 2. Now the number of month up to December 31st கால்குலேட் பண்ணுவோம். மார்ச் 1st இருந்து டிசம்பர் 31st வரைக்கும் எத்தனை மாதம் வரும்? லீவ் ஜனவரி அண்ட் ஃபெப்ரவரி. ஸோ ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ரிமைனிங் 10 month. ஸோ ப்ராடக்ட் இருக்குதுமா அமௌண்ட்டு இன்ட்டு நம்பர் ஆஃப் மந்த் 6,000 into 10 60,000. Then similarly June 1st 4,000 வருமா. லீவ் அப் டு ஏப்ரல் மே அப்போ ரெஸ்ட் ஆஃப் 7 month. அப்போ 4 into 7 28. Similarly September 1st செப்டம்பர் அக்டோபர் நவம்பர் டிசம்பர் 4 month 5,000 into 4 20,000. டிசம்பர் only 1 month 2,000. டோட்டல் ப்ராடக்ட் இது நாளே ஆட் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க 110. Now the formula is sum of product into rate of interest into 1/12. Therefore 1,10,000 into 12/100 into 1/12 equal to 1,100. ஓகேம்மா, தட்ஸ் ஆல். ப்ராடக்ட் மெத்தட் சொன்னனால இதே ஃபார்முலா பார்த்துங்க. ஓகே. Now next one more மா, another one more ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் மெத்தட் சொல்லுவோம். ஆவரேஜ் பீரியட் ஏன்னா கிளியராக எதுவும் சொல்லியிருக்க மாட்டான். டேட் ஆஃப் ட்ராயிங்ஸ் என்னதுன்னு டிஃப்ரெண்ட் சுச்சுவேஷனில் சொல்லியிருந்திருப்பான். அது இந்த ஃபார்முலா இது நோட் பண்ணிக்க மாட்டே. இது வந்து மந்த்லி ஒன்ஸு அட் தி பிகினிங் ஆஃப் இயர், குவார்டர்லி ஒன்ஸ் இன் 3 month, ஒன்ஸ் இன் 6 month, அந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஃபார்முலா நம்பர் ஆஃப் மந்த் பார்த்துங்க, இது நோட் பண்ணிங்க. தட் வில் பி யூஸ்ஃபுல். நவ் நெக்ஸ்ட்மா see there. John is a partner of a firm. He withdraws 1,000 per month regularly. Interest on drawing charged at 5%. Calculate interest on drawings using average period method. See, at the beginning of every month, middle of every month, end of every month. ஓகேம்மா, இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இருக்குமா. ப்ளஸ் இங்கேயே நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கங்க. பிகினிங் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி மந்த்னா ஃபார் 6.5 month, மிடில் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி மந்த்னா 6 month, end of every month na 5.5 month. Okay ba, the formula is total drawings into number of month involved into percentage into number of month involved. Okay ba. Now in the first case la total drawings, all the 3 cases he withdrew 1,000, therefore 1,000 into 12,000 is the amount of drawing. Then interest on drawings, total drawings into rate of interest into average period 6.5 month, inge kodukirama 6.5 month, therefore 12,000 into பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 5/100 into 6.5/12. தட்ஸ் ஆல். இந்த 6.5/12ங்கிறது ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா. தென் போட்டிங்கன்னா இதை மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி சிம்ப்ளிஃபை பண்ணி 325 வில் கெட். சிமிலர்லி மிடில் ஆஃப் எவ்ரி மந்த்னா 6 month, அதே தான் டோட்டல் ட்ராயிங்ஸ் இன்ட்டு பெர்சன்டேஜ் இன்ட்டு 6/12 300. தென் அண்ட் if the drawing is made at the end of every month na 5.5 month, adhe da 12,000 into 5/100 into 5.5 12 equal to 275. That's all. Okay ma. So similar to that, back side or 3 plus 4 or 7 இதே sum number da ma you can do as back side பாத்தீங்கன்னா ma இதே illustration 5 and illustration sum number 5, 6, 8, then sum number 11, 12, 15 and 16. These maximum or 6 or 7 sums you do as homework and take photo and send to me. With that I would like to finish this. The rest of things we are going to continue in the next class. Okay, see you, bye.